guys, look what Santa brought me for Christmas. So this is an Aquacraft Lucas Oil. They also have a Motley Crew. This is a relic, hard to find, but I found it. And let me tell you, the wife really tricked me on this one, because I was telling her, I was like, listen, this is gonna sell fast, it's not gonna last. And she was like, yeah, you know, we'll think about it, you know, we'll go through our finances, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, fine. You know, I'm sure you guys know how it is. So the next day she decided, okay, you know what, let's get it. I'm like stoked. All right, jumped on eBay and it was sold. It was sold, and I'm sure you guys know where I'm going with this one. And I was bummed, but I was okay, you know, I was all right. And but I always wanted this hull right here in this particular paint scheme. I like the Motley Crew a lot, but my buddy has that one and he doesn't want to let it go. So this showed up. We did our Christmas openings and stuff like that, and she handed over a box. So I knew it was gonna be something like a boat, because you know I love boats. And I popped the box open, and the first thing I see was like this area right here. Yeah, I was really happy. She got me good. She surprised me really well. So she's a very supportive wife. I love her. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna take this one out to the pond, and so the motor was locked up. Let me see if I can go ahead and pop this off for a second. Okay, so it had the stock motor. That is the stock servo, tested, works. It had a tactic receiver, which I changed for my receiver for my Dumbo. And yeah, the motor was completely locked up. The flex cable was like bent. It was like warped, bent, or whatever. So this is the same motor that comes in with the Blackjack 24 from Pro Boat. Only has a different motor jacket. This is a, what kV is that? It's 2200 kV, 3650 or 60, and that is a Firma 120 amp ESC in there. So the flex cable is not the stock flex cable. That is a UL1 stock flex cable. It's what I had in hand right now, and it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and mess around with that. This is the 4216 Pro Boat Blackjack V2 prop. And yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if we can have some fun with this. I'm definitely gonna upgrade the flex cable to the upgraded version for this particular boat. That's on OSC. So yeah, beautiful little boat. This is pretty flimsy, guys. So I'm probably gonna do a little thin lay of some carbon fiber underneath that. Probably not a good idea because of the radio, but yeah, on a high speed flip, that could be a bad thing, guys, real bad thing. So let's point out the little minor things that it has on it that I can probably fix. The front here in the sponson has a little slight chip, which I can probably fill sand and paint. Same thing on this one. Fill sand and paint, it's nothing bad. There's absolutely no damage to the boat except for the tips. I guess maybe storage or whatever. Yeah, so another gripe of mine would be this, it's got a lot of play here, so that's not good. Oh wow, look, this hose is not the best. I'm gonna have to put like a little spring or something in here to keep it from kinking up. That's another upgrade I'm gonna do, is the hose, the water hoses. But yeah, guys, let's get her on the water. Enough talking, enough crap. Let's see this thing destroy itself on the pond. Just kidding, guys. I'm gonna do my best not to do that. Let's go.
like it's warm. Feels like I ran it, but it's just from the sunlight.
Yeah, it's awesome.
You can't really, unless you hit a rock, you can't hurt it. Yeah, you can hit a rock. Put a case of any boat. Adjustability. Over with mine, like you would with that other handle. Right. What's the record for the Motley Crue speed-wise?
They said they did about close to 100.
Over 100.
But they cut the inside and laid in the fiberglass.
I've seen over 100. That was years ago. I've seen over 100. I'm talking about a speed one. Guys that modify for speed. It's the way more. That little green boat can do 100. Yeah, the little green boat sometimes got up to like 180. Don't try it though, because it will blow over. Yeah, they make it start heavy. They don't even run like